Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are here at Tuttle Point Campground in Linesville, PA. It's our first time here.
Yep, time-assuming area, but we're on the PA side. And we are here because we are here for the tailgate with En route with Chuck and Cheri.
That's the...
Go Browns!
Yeah.
What are we doing this weekend?
Tailgating.
Tailgating. Just hanging out. There's got, 110 sites, I think she booked, or said was booked for them, with all people that they know. So
pretty much this entire campground.
Big old tailgate party all weekend. Today's your favorite pro NFL team.
A little bit of everything.
Oh yeah, we've got everything going on there. Sporting our GV Art shirts. And tomorrow is college. We just have watching games, TV's going on. This is a nice park though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Actually, I think so. This park was actually closed for a long time, and then during COVID, maybe they they kind of opened up most of it and redid it. I think there's still a loop, it sounds like, that's been abandoned, so maybe we'll try to get over there and check that out. Yeah,
do a little tour of it. They have a really nice area where we've been hanging out. We were hanging out there last night with an amphitheater, so they had some TV set up. We have some music, live music this weekend. The Gemstones, Rolling with the Stones, are going to play tonight. Craig Martini is going to play tomorrow for us. But that's a nice area down there because there's the amphitheater. It's right on the water. They had, 3 fire pits going on down there. Big area, so it's great for a group. Yeah, definitely a nice place for a group.
Yeah.
Really nice campground and big sites.
I think they're all full hookup from what I've seen so far. We haven't really explored too much of it yet. We're gonna have to take a walker through and see.
Look it out there.
But yeah, I like it so far.
So far, I'd say it's good.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
No. We're gonna go
explore a little bit today. Yeah.
And explore, and we'll catch up with you at the end.
Yep.
All right.
Well, I've been thinking about you. When I'm on my own, paranoid and restless at home. When I'm all alone, I lock the door. Well, I've been so fucked up. Yeah, I've been busting out at the seams. You know it's never enough when you see it in your dreams. I've been known to go, and I've been known to throw. Well, I've played long before, but it's wrong, and I won't play no more. Cause I've been alone before, but I've been around the sun. And now that it's said and done, you'll be the lonely one. Cause I've been the lonely one for so long, and I wanna know you are. Cause I thought of everything, I thought of everything. And now I'm back inside, and my thoughts turn to dread. I'm alone again, so I'm locking this door. And don't try to say that this is not what you mean. It's like an open flame to gasoline.
So we ventured out and we stopped here at Casita. Sellers, winery, and store.
And I've been known to throw. Well, I played long before, but it's wrong, and I won't play no more. Cause I've been alone before, but I've been around the sun. And now that it's said and done, you'll be the lonely one. Cause I've been the lonely one for so long, and I wanna know you are. Cause I thought of everything, I thought of everything, I thought of everything,
Top of the day, more
thought of everything, I thought of everything. Well, I've been thinking about you. Been thinking about you, and I guess that I was on when I saw it going wrong. Yeah, I was on, and now you're on your own now. I didn't notice I was gone. I didn't know you were before. I didn't notice something wrong, but you were lying on the floor. And I've been so messed up with this. I thought of everything. I guess it's just that one more thing. I guess that I forgot to bring. Really? I thought of everything, thing. I thought of everything, thing. Thought of everything, thing. I thought of everything, really. I thought of everything, thing. I thought of everything.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
You know I've got a lot of questions. When did we enter this dimension? I'm confused, I don't know what to do now. Whatever happened to the truth? It seems like it fell to the wayside. Just look inside, you see it's all been all lies. It's got me singing, oh, I feel so fake inside. I
All right, well, the first tailgate en route with Chuck and Cheri, I'd have to say it was good.
It was good. What was that? Touchdown?
Touchdown, yeah.
Touchdown? Yeah, you guys, this was a blast. Thank you so much for Chuck and Cheri for all that you did with this. I know it's a lot of work, a lot of hard work, and to this park, Pymatuming State Park here, Tuttle Campground. Yeah, thank you, everybody. You guys, it was awesome. It was so fun.
Yeah.
We hung out all, lots of good people. We were down at the amphitheater most of the time, several fire pits going on down there. We had lots of good music. People were playing cornhole.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was.
We had Rolling with the Stones.
The Gemstones.
Gemstones, they call themselves. So they played Friday night. Had a good variety of music. It was fun.
Joe and Mary, great to see you guys play. It was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and then Saturday, Craig Martini came out for a little bit. He did his
Craig.
stuff. Yeah, it was.
Yeah. You're always awesome to see too. We enjoy seeing you, and Kim, it was good to see you. So thanks for coming out, guys, and doing this.
Yeah, we went. Did a little exploring, not a lot.
A little bit, just a little, just to check out a couple places, but spent most of the time here at the campground. But we did hit
out in Conneaut.
By Conneaut Lake, Conneaut Cellars Winery and Distillery. So that was a good place. There was quite a handful of us who went. Yeah. And then I guess some of the people actually came out later because they were asking, "Oh, are you with the camping group?" And so we missed some people, but it was fun. That was fun, just to check it out a little bit. Good wine. And then Mortals Key Brewing Company and the Gatehouse Winery are right there all together.
Right next door. Yeah, the winery's right next door to the brewery.
Yeah.
Really neat place. We were there once before a few years ago.
Early spring, so it was kind of chilly out still, but nice big outside area. Looks like they do bands and stuff, have food and everything. So that definitely seems like a fun place, a good place to check out.
But other than that, we just kind of hung around the campground. We got to, meet a lot of new people, see a bunch of people, we haven't seen in a while. So that's always good.
Really enjoyed it. Enjoyed our weekend. We lucked out with weather. We had some rain, but mostly at night. Rain last night, during the night. I don't think it dampened anything, we just,
no,
everything was always nice during the day. And
this is a really nice campground.
It is.
I would definitely love to come back here. I would highly
recommend it. Yeah. Big sites.
I'm not sure if every site is full hookup. I will have to look that up for the drive-through video that we're going to do as well. But from what I've seen, it looks like every one of them is full hookups, which is nice.
Yeah. There's 2 loops, and then there's like an abandoned loop. I don't know if eventually someday they'll redo that loop, but that was kind of fun just to kind of walk through it and see it. And they just redid this entire campground
just a few years
ago. I don't put millions of dollars. I don't remember what it was
new
exactly.
Facilities and upgraded electric, water, sewer, all that. So they did a nice job.
They did an awesome job. Yeah.
And I believe this one, I think Chuck said they booked 11 months out.
Okay.
Whereas Ohio is 6 months.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
But other than that, I think it's time to head home.
Yep.
Bummer.
Yep. All right, so keep it safe in your travels.
Between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye, guys.
Bye.